guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Explain Sounds. Today I will show you guys how to apply diminished seventh chords in worship songs and how to use them effectively. Please, if you are new to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button down there to get the channel going. Thank you. Okay, now we're on the key of C. If let's say a song is going from your 1 and to your 2, that's where you are allowed to use your diminished seventh chord. Now let me show you an example of diminished seventh chord. This is the diminished seventh chord for the key of C. So with this, you can look for the diminished chord, the diminished seventh chord of any other key. If you want to know the one for C sharp, all you just have to do is to move your hand half step. This is the one for the key of D. This is the one for the key of D sharp. The one for the key of E. F sharp, G sharp, E sharp. Back to the C again. Now, back to C. If a worship song is going from your 1 to your 2, let's say they are singing a song. While playing it, you can see that I used the flat second to go to the second. So anytime you want to use your flat second to go to your second, that's you are allowed to use the diminished seventh chord of the flat second, which is this. So same thing applies. Whenever you want to go to your 5th, you are allowed to use the diminished seventh chord of your flat 5th to go to your 5th, which is this chord. Then whenever you are going to your 6th, you are allowed to use your diminished seventh chord of your flat 6th to your 6th, which is. Let me experiment it for you now. Now we're going to the 4. Now I want to go to the 6th, to the 5th, sorry. Now watch how the diminished seventh chord of the flat 5th will sound. That will take us to the 5th. Now I want to go to the 6th. Now watch how the diminished seventh chord of the flat 6 will sound. Now let's couple all of them together. Let's take the 1. Can see whenever you want to go to your 5th, you can use your diminished seventh chord of your flat 5th, which I just showed you guys to go to your 5th. Whenever you want to go to your 6th, you can use the diminished seventh chord of your flat 6th to go to your 6th, no matter the song that is being played. Whenever you want to go to your 2nd, you can use the diminished seventh chord of your flat 2nd to go to your 2nd. So that's it guys for this short tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel to see more future uploads.